Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 29. For this arrangement, move three matches to different positions to end up with two squares. Now you can see here in this arrangement you have a square here, so that's 1, 2, 3. So you need to pick three of these matches, move them somewhere else in this arrangement, and you only end up with two squares. If you would like to pause this video now to give you a chance to do this, please do so. I'm going to move on to the next slide now so we can discuss the solution. Now this is the next slide, and you will notice I have three matches here which are different colours. So I'm giving a little hint. These three matches are the ones which need to be moved. Now if you weren't able to solve it, here is your chance because of this little hint. Now where do you think those three matches can go so that you have a total of two squares? So if you like to pause the video now and move those three matches, here's your chance. What I'm going to do now is move on to the next slide so we can see the solution. So there we go. Those three matches are moved to those positions. And what do we have now? We have a large square and a small square, two squares altogether. I certainly hope you enjoyed that video.